This think aloud is based off of actual conversations I've heard from my students when they're creating a sketch note. Let me tell you what I know about states of matter. So I know that there are solids, liquids, and gases. Here are a couple of examples that I know of which we've learnt about. By putting them out in this way, I can see a few examples of each one and how they fit into the different categories. This is how I know particle arrangement looks in solids. And these are the particles in liquids, and these are the particles in gases. I know that we can go from solids to liquids to gases, and actually they can go backwards again if I apply some heat or make the temperature a little bit colder. I can see that clearly by adding the arrows in between the different phases. By using arrows and by organizing my information in this way, I can see connections very clearly and how things impact each other and have an effect on the different states of matter. By laying out my information this way, I am organizing it to make recall and formal writing a little bit easier for myself, and I am also seeing it in such a way that I can compare information easily. I can add little icons all around my words to be able to attach meanings to, and I can add extra little bits of information wherever I have extra space on my sketch note, as and when I learn them. I'm now going to add a little bit of color to my sketch note. Color really helps me to organize my sketch note even further, because when things are color coded or separated by colors, I can recall the information much easier by actually picturing it and picturing the page in my mind when I'm trying to think of what I want to answer or write about. So adding the color is not just to make it look nice, but it's also really to be able to organize my information even further